We have the extending safe gate. It's the gate. Let me screenshot share this with you right here so you can see it. Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the extending safe gate. It's the perfect one for being able to use at the top of stairs. It's great because it's strong and it's sturdy, and it also opens in the it's a one hand, open, but it also is going to open in one direction, which is really, really important when you're talking about the top of a staircase. Yeah. These are going to be installed and mounted inside or outside the door frame.
No, just so people know, you do not use pressure gates on stairs. You do not do that. They're way too easy. They're great and like use them in your living room or like keep your pets out of the way. But a pressure mounted gate at the top of a staircase, kids can just like, they can push, and regardless of how tight you think you have the pressure, it can always be pushed in.
When the kids were little, we had these, mounted gates at the top of our stairs, metal gates that really didn't swing in the other direction. It's probably one of the most important places to make sure that is gated.
Yeah.
Okay. And that you're like using the right type of gate. Okay. If you're blocking off rooms, you can use pressure mounted gates, but not at stairs.
Yeah. Pressure is great elsewhere. And I actually, we've talked about, again, like all of Qdos, their stuff is terrific. There are no standards when it comes to like baby safety and baby proofing items, except for gates. And I've actually been to a facility where they test the gates. The gate, they basically have it in, and then they have this like, the one I saw is like a weighted bag. They slam the gate over and over and over with this weight because it has to withstand all of it. So gates are really the only baby proofing product where standards have to be met, which is a really, really interesting.
It makes a lot of sense because it's the purpose that it's serving is that it needs to withstand that. Yeah. And we've gone over different types of things, whether it's gates for pets or gates for children or, and there's a difference. And you want to make sure that like, if you are, starting to childproof your home, baby proof your home, that you're using good quality products to do that.
Do not use a pet gate for your kids, but you can use a kid gate for your pets.
Exactly.
And one of the things that you really need to look at is like footholds. They have like designs on them because like pets aren't really climbing over them unless your dog is just feeling himself. And, when you use that kind of gate with kids, they can use them as a foothold to climb over the gate. So you have to make sure you're using a gate for kids where there's no foothold for them to climb.
And we picked this particular one, but Qdos makes a full variety of beautiful gates for that are clear for different doorways in your house to go with your decor, and ones that can be extended across like very large openings that you can add to and make bigger if you need to. If you have odd size openings between rooms, or you need to block off a fireplace or a Christmas tree or whatever it is, definitely check out the Qdos products. When you click through to the gate here, you can also click through to the Qdos safety store here.
And I would just say go look at everything. But one of the best things that they make is actually for an anti-tip device, so your dresser doesn't tip over. It's actually like an award-winning product, which like in the baby safety space doesn't really happen. But it's a really brilliant non-tip device that's very easy. That's it right there.
There it is. Yeah. There it is. There's the stove guard we talked about last week. Okay, yeah. So definitely Qdos. We love Qdos. Go ahead and check them out. Just click through and add it to your cart if you want to like look into it more after.